You have shot a lot of weddings in the last season, but are you struggling to deliver wedding films to your client? Does your client give you 5 minutes for portraits and then cribs and says he's not happy with the pictures? Does your client negotiate with you and he really brings your price down and you don't know how to handle the situation? Or do you feel you're not making enough money for the kind of efforts you put in as a wedding photographer? Hi, my name is Lav Israni and I bring to you the solution to all these problems. Yes, you heard me right. I bring to you a 3-day physical event in Mumbai, Capturing Our Wedding Bootcamp, where you will learn all the proven techniques and the creative frameworks of wedding photography and filmmaking industry. How will this happen? There are 12 plus wedding industry masters who have cracked the code and have built the top brands in the wedding photography industry. At this life transforming event, where you will learn everything that is needed to make your wedding business huge and profitable. Right from social media game to closing the high ticket clients. You will learn everything that is needed to make your wedding business huge and profitable. Join me along with 12 other masters at the life transforming event and turn your photography career into a big fat profitable business. I will see you at the Capturing Our Wedding Bootcamp happening in Mumbai from 16 to 18 September.